That's actually where we find KSNT News reporter Hannah Brandt live, who's been watching the roads carefully all day long. Hannah, how's it going out there now?
Well, Molly, the I-70 is back open now after being closed for most of the day. It was actually closed for around 10 hours due to those whiteout conditions. It is back open right now. It opened just about an hour ago, but there still aren't that many cars out on the road braving those conditions. If you do have to travel somewhere tomorrow, keep in mind there is still a lot of ice and snow on the ground that probably won't melt overnight. So take extra precautions while you're driving and stay safe out there. Live in Topeka, Hannah Brandt, KSNT News.
All right, thank you so much, Hannah. Yeah, very important. Even though it may look clear out there, you just never know what spots you're going to hit.